Okay, to begin, I've taped down all my edges with washi tape. Next, I'm wetting my paint palette with my spray bottle mister. Wake those paints up. I'm using my water brush pen for this tutorial, but you can easily use a regular brush, such as a round 6, to achieve a great look. And we are going to start by damping our paper with a spray bottle or a brush, up to you, kind of in sporadic areas. And we're going to start with our red. Now you can start with orange or green, yellow. It's totally your preference. We're just going around the page and making blobs of paint. And we're going to let them all run together. It's going to be really beautiful. Now remember, the more water you use, the more flow you will get. So if you don't want your paint to run into each other, then use less water. I'm adding in a little bit of orange here, just mixing together colors and having fun. You can see the paint start to bloom as it spreads with the water that we previously laid down before. Now I'm starting my next little section. And I'm kind of doing like a yellowy orange color here. And I'm allowing the paint to bleed into each other. It's almost like the messier the better for this. I'm going to add in a little more yellow. Yellows at the bottom there. Now I think we're going to add some red to the top right-hand corner here. It's like an orangey red. It's very pretty, very fall. Now I'm giving these little blobs a mist after I paint them because I want them to stay wet and I would like them to bleed into each other. After we're done, we're going to tilt it back and forth. So just use your imagination and have fun here. I love this orange. Giving it a little spray. And the bottom one as well. Now we're going to add some green. My favorite color. I'm using like a sap green. You can use whatever you like. If you want your colors to pop, then maybe you want to use like a Kelly green. It's totally up to you. I'm kind of doing the shapes in the form of leaves, but not like literally. Just very loosely. Gonna add some green to the top, just to tie it all together. And then a little red to the right-hand side. It's starting to look good. I'm also going to add a dab of orange to that. give it a little spray, keep it nice and moist. All right, now we're going to pick up our books and tilt left, down, right, and up. And this is just going to help the colors bleed together and blend and look more natural. Tilting the page is one of my favorite things to do when I paint. And I feel like it's a very underrated hack that nobody really knows about. I'm just adding a little bit of yellow to the top. Not too much. And some more green. Some red spray. A little bit of red orange. And I'm really taking my time with this. So this can be done literally like in minutes. You can just use a bigger brush and it's very simple. Anybody can do this. Now we want to let this dry completely. All right, after it's dry, you want to grab a pen. You can use a Bic pen, you can use a felt tip pen, whatever you have that's black. And again, you want to make sure that your paper is completely dry for this. And we're literally just going to draw leaves on top of the splotches of paint that we laid down. I'm going to draw some oak leaves, maybe a maple leaf. Just use your imagination here. And I'm also going to draw some veins as well. Just kind of running through the leaf just to give it a little bit more character. Just like that. Super simple. We'll draw one here to the right. This one's kind of just like a teardrop shape with a vein running down the middle and a little stem. And we're going to add some veins as well. And you're just going to fill up the rest of your page with all of these leaves, however you see fit. You can add as little or as much detail as you like. I'm gonna add a little one to the bottom here. That looks really cute. I like that. This leaf is kind of just out of my brain, so I don't know what kind of leaf it is that I'm drawing. I'm going to do a little curly Q for the stem. I feel like when you're illustrating, doing little swirls is adorable. I don't know why, I just love them. I like that little leaf, it came out cute. Alright, now we're gonna do like an oak leaf. So this is super easy. You're just doing in and out like bumps. You can kind of see it better on the next example. My hand is blocking it a little bit here. I apologize. But it just kind of goes in and out with a nice vein running down the middle. And then just like little wisps coming from the center. It's a happy leaf. I think I'm gonna draw an acorn. I just felt the calling to draw an acorn, you know? Kind of do like some line work to give it a little definition. Little cross hatching. If you want your whole page to be leaves, then just go for it. I'm all about that. I'm really getting into this acorn here. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Just gonna add a couple more leaves. I believe I add one more after this, so we are nearing the end of this video. And after we're done drawing the leaves, we are going to do a little bit of paint splatter. I chose to do this afterwards, so I filmed the swirls that I drew off camera. So I apologize for that. But I have faith that you can do it yourself. Alright, here are the swirls that I'm talking about. Very cute, right? Now we're just taking our paintbrush and tapping it over our finger using a lot of water and a little bit of paint. And you're just gonna fill up that negative space with the paint splatter. So wherever it's white, go for it. I'm using orange yellow for this, and I'm also doing like some variations of sizes of splatters. It's some big ones, some little ones, whatever you think would look good, do that. Just adding some extra splatter. Can't get enough, you know. All right. We are done. So we are going to take off our tape. One piece at a time. It's so satisfying. And we have those nice crisp lines that people constantly ask me about. And it's so simple. It's just a piece of tape. So we're just taking all those off. And that's it. This is our final result. I hope that you had fun while creating and learning. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you'd like to see any tutorials in the future, let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll make it happen.